Black chain link fence is a fence staple and it continues to be super popular here on Long Island where we install fences. I'm Alex from Natural Beauty Fence, and today I'm going to be answering the most frequently asked questions regarding black chain link fence. Questions such as, how much does it cost? Will it rust? And will this continue to look good over time? Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the aesthetic of this fence. Black chain link fence is a great choice because it blends naturally into the landscape. Here on Long Island, where we install a lot of these, customers have big properties and they want to close them in, but they don't want that fenced in feel. So black chain link fence is open, you could see through it, and it naturally blends into the landscape. A lot of properties here will do aluminum estate fencing in the front, then chain link around the sides and back, which will bring us into the next point, that chain link fence is a lot more affordable than other styles of fence. But we'll get into cost in the next section of this video. Now, as I've been selling fences, black chain link fence has been really popular among modern homes, newer builds, because the black does match that new modern architecture. However, it also really looks nice on your more traditional old-fashioned Long Island homes. That being said, black chain link fence blends seamlessly into any property. Now, many homeowners still view chain link as that industrial parking lot fence. What's great about black chain link is it makes the style of fence more residential, so you can get all the benefits of a strong, durable chain link fence without it looking so commercial and industrial. Now let's talk about numbers. The cost of this fence installed is going to depend on many things, such as the gauge of the wire you select, the gauge of the pipe you put in the ground, and the height of the fence, and lastly, whether or not you choose to put in privacy slats. For the prices I'm going to give you, I'm going to factor in bottom rail. That is the pipe going across the bottom of the fence, because it adds a substantial amount of strength to the fence and is especially important if you have dogs. I'm also going to factor in our typical residential specs. That's a 2-inch by 9 gauge wire and standard SS15 posts. Now, if you are looking to do something a little more heavy duty, you can leave a comment down below and we can have a conversation about it. But assuming the people watching this video are not installing a fence around a maximum security prison or a data center, I'm going to go ahead and give you the costs for your typical residential specs. A 4-foot high fence is going to run generally about $27 per foot. Your 5-foot high fence is going to be about $29 per foot, and your 6-foot high fence is going to run about $33 per foot. Now we're going to get into the utility of this fence and why it's such a popular choice going beyond its aesthetics. Number one, the bottom rail on this fence is great for dogs that push up against the fence. This will prevent them from being able to dig out and push up against the wire. In addition, chain link is naturally very strong, so if you have kids that throw a lacrosse ball into it or a baseball, it's going to just bounce off. You're not going to have to worry about dents or dings or anything you would like with another style of fence. As I said before, customers love to install this fence in very wooded areas where often tree limbs can fall and hit the fence. Now, if you have a fence like vinyl or aluminum estate fencing, these repairs are a lot more costly. However, with chain link, you can easily repair them at a low cost. So if you're looking to fence in a large area of property, black chain link fence is a great option because you can get the job done affordably and you'll have a fence that'll stand the test of time, which brings us into our next point. Many homeowners will ask, this is a metal fence, so won't it rust over time? All the pipe used is going to be powder coated and the wire is vinyl coated. That'll prevent the fence from rusting over time. This fence is made to be rust proof and is UV protected. This fence will look the same 10 years from now. Which brings us into the low maintenance nature of this fence. You will not have to paint it. Cleaning it is super easy. You can just hose it off and you don't have to worry about it warping or rotting. This fence will look the same in 10 years, 15 years, and if you take care of it, even 20 years. It is really made to last, and that'll bring us into our installation process. We make sure that when we're installing a fence, we set our posts a good distance apart. We don't go any more than 10 feet between posts, and we use a sufficient amount of concrete in each hole so that the fence is stable. Then once our posts are set, we put in the top rail, the bottom rail, attach all the fittings, stretch the wire, and then you have your chain link fence. Now, if you want to see more details and step-by-step instruction about our installation processes, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll put our installation tutorial up. But for now, let's continue with black chain link fence. Now we're going to talk about the best use cases for black chain link fence. This fence is great for dog owners. Like I said before, it blends into the nature, it blends into the landscape. So that being said, if you're looking to just install a dog run within your property, this fence works perfectly, because even though it's within the confines of your backyard, it still doesn't jump out as being something that's out of place. Take a look at this fence right here. As you'll see, this is a 50-foot by 20-foot dog run installed within a backyard, and it doesn't jump out as being out of place at all. It blends perfectly into the backyard. Now, for within the backyard, like this dog run, I recommend going with a 4-foot high fence. Now, if you're looking to fence in a pool, again, this fence is going to be within the confines of your backyard, so you're going to want to keep it around 4 foot high, but pools bring up an interesting scenario with the wire. You don't want to do your typical 2-inch mesh because it's easy to get a foot in there and climb over it. In addition, a lot of towns and villages won't allow it during your pool inspection, so you'll typically want to go with a mini mesh chain link for your pool fences. These fences come with a 1-inch mesh that is perfect for pools. Then for some of you more high profile people who may have pickleball and tennis courts on your property, you can go with your tennis court mesh, which is going to be a 1 3/4-inch diamond. A little bit bigger than the pool mesh, but slightly smaller than your typical residential mesh, and still looks great. This fence is also really great for those of you who own large properties because, as I said before, you can cover a really large area for a very affordable price. Also great for rental homes, because for your rental home, you don't want to spend as much money on the fence, but you still want something that looks great and is durable that your tenants will be happy with. Black chain link is a great move for you. Now let's talk about gates. With chain link gate, size is never an issue. We can custom make these gates to be 3-foot, 4-foot, or 5-foot standard walking gates, or we can do 10-foot, 20-foot, 30-foot driveway gates. These gates can be built to swing, slide, or roll, and they can all be automated. So now, what about privacy? Chain link fences on their own are not built to be private fences. You could see right through them, unless you add privacy slats. Privacy slats come in a bunch of different styles. We have your wingtip slats, your ridge slats, your tube slats, lock top slats. If you're interested in seeing more about privacy slats, I'll link to it at the end of this video. Besides privacy, slats will also keep people from being able to climb over the fence. Now keep in mind, chain link fences are available in other colors. We can do this fence galvanized, green, brown, or white, and the privacy slats themselves come in dozens of different colors, so you have a lot of options for colors with this type of fence. Now, if you're interested in having a black chain link fence or any other kind of fence installed at your property, simply text or call me at this number here. This is my direct line. You will reach me directly, and I'd be happy to help you. You can simply send me a diagram of your property and I can quote out the materials and the installation, or if you're located in Long Island, New York City, New Jersey, or Westchester, I can actually come to your house, meet with you, and then work with you to figure out which types of fences would best suit your specific needs and your budget. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out this related video to see our step-by-step process for installing a chain link fence, and then check out this video if you're interested in seeing the different types of privacy slats and how we install those, and subscribe.